Okay, so now we're gonna try an ounce of fresh cannabis leaf. It's like crazy concoctions and some Diet Dr. Pepper. So I have roughly 1 cup of Diet Dr. Pepper, fresh cannabis leaf. We're gonna see what happens. And then if that's, I don't know what's gonna happen with that, but regardless, then I have flaxseed I'm probably gonna add after that. Hemp hearts, all this is good for you. Probably besides the pop, but I'm just trying different things. I tried it with almond milk. I'm just trying different things, so here it is. You know, you can learn from my experiment.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. All right, so I just blended it all up. Here's what it looks like. It doesn't smell like Dr. Pepper anymore. Not at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink it now. Hold on. I want to show you guys. Okay, here we go. See what this tastes like now. This is what it looks like. So you can kind of see. Taste it now. It's almost like... Holy shit, it's actually not bad.
Really, nigga?
It's actually not bad at all. It's like... you have the... You know, it's a little bit chewy, obviously, because of the plant matter. But it completely masks the taste. So it's not bitter. It's not tart. It doesn't even taste like plants. This is a good alternative. Okay, I'm going to try the flaxseed and hemp seed. I'll be right back. All right, so here it is. Hemp hearts, flaxseed, an ounce of fresh cannabis leaf. Let's see what else did I do. A cup of Diet Dr. Pepper. I know, it's like, it's almost as if a chick's on a diet and she gets diet this, diet that, and then like a, you know, a 3-pound bag of potato chips or something. It's kind of like what it's like with the Diet Dr. Pepper. But see, no carbohydrates. That's really what I'm in for, is for the carbohydrates. And no calories, whatever. Okay, so here it goes. Let's see what it tastes like. I'll let you guys see firsthand what it tastes like. I haven't tried it yet with the hemp parts of the flaxseed mixed in. Do it! Just do it! It's sweet. Chewy, of course. And sweet. But this is good. Really, the hemp hearts would be awesome in yogurt, things like that, because they're kind of somewhat already chewy. They'd be really good, but honestly, this is good. Not bad. All right, there's a crazy concoction for today. See ya.